Hey everyone! Are you tired of always saying very this and very that? Today I'll show you how to sound more fluent by replacing very with advanced adjectives. Let's dive in. Number 1. Instead of saying very good, try excellent. The presentation was excellent. Superb. You did a superb job on your project. Outstanding. Her performance was absolutely outstanding. These words make your praise more impactful. Number 2, when something is very bad, you can say, awful. The movie was awful. I wouldn't recommend it. Terrible. He made a terrible mistake during the game. Dreadful. The food at that restaurant was dreadful. These adjectives express a strong disapproval. Now, for those times when you're very tired, use exhausted. After working all day, I'm absolutely exhausted. Drained. I feel drained after that long meeting. Worn out. He was worn out after running that marathon. These make your fatigue sound more vivid. Now, when you're feeling very happy, say thrilled. I'm thrilled to hear about your promotion. Overjoyed. He was overjoyed when she won the competition. Elated. They were elated to welcome their new baby. These adjectives show deeper emotions. Number 5. For very small, say tiny. Oh, look at this tiny kitten. Minuscule. The chance of rain is minuscule today. Petite. She wore a petite, elegant dress. And for very big, use enormous. The elephant is an enormous animal. Massive. They live in a massive house by the lake. Gigantic. The hotel has a gigantic swimming pool. These words create a more vivid picture. Here's a tip. Next time you catch yourself about to say very, pause and try one of these adjectives instead. It'll instantly elevate your English. Which advanced adjective is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're curious about your current English skills, take my free English level test today. It's quick, easy, and will help you understand where you stand. Check it out in the video description. And if you want to take your skills to the next level, enroll in my intensive mini course in Business English for Beginners and learn the basics of business conversations in just 8 days. And for a limited time, I'm offering a special discount. Don't miss this chance to elevate your business communication skills. Click the link below and secure your spot today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.